channel so we are live on Kumawood TV and then on Facebook Kumawood TV or like Kiana share. Then on YouTube Sam Dakus TV also beat me at a live elbow. Again channel over in Yamre I can kind of me at the amount. If you are idea now you fast that you more than Fama Allah. At the back one, Tradian Bonita Mompa and they say if you are not while we no correct. Na obeto umia se wankasa wono ade a ode ye umia no wo hwe no bi de ye na enye oda no bomode ya se wono so no obetimi atwe ho ade afiri ho eno na ala ene je ho eno so nti na yeso mo man Ghana ya so wi asini na so ayatra se bi nyamre na ebobon sem so hwe so se COVID-19 the novel coronavirus yare no ebusu a ekoso ebusu a ekoso no ka se no be na kudu as we speak no hu pa as for mind in now young come near fight against this virus and here not yet tiasem there ewo my Ghana even am ready and no come sanso at the second part of the show now heading come on the Electoral Commission of Ghana NEC Supreme Court and Imani Ghana ne have other civil society organizations are also associate ekasa at the Electoral Commission about the compilation of the new voters register. Ibenya emre na no so to me edi hon come nya ntie se cocaine bi ayira e my Ghana 100 grams of cocaine say ayira e aflawo baby Ketu South they say Jerry for some and the cocaine ayira. This is not the first time one cocaine ye intercept ye sisi na ayira we okara adane powder na no na yetumi enso eti ewa na on the same COVID-19 and the majority leader Nyankasa no party man Sabusu honorable that just say some members of parliament some journalists are juma ewo parliament and then staff of parliament ebi the random and says isolate yourself and then ensure what you do one sana what to me about parliament. You simple go when you have still one or more at a super city more. I don't that's a yeah, someone trust here momentarily and will be forced to isolate them from the House of Parliament and also ever has a NPP primaries subbing constituency baby and house of the pie and possibility if you was meeting in the Western region. Nay Formina Honorable Katie Hammond almost 24 years and was saying up when I could be one there's a worker and his son. Now was also for say baby a year. And so I said no I was a no still no also one and I was saying a man. Become red now getting come on my Ghana meeting Eric's Mike. I bit of what massive knee on the first part no me were convener at the environmental subcommittee KMA Honorable Salif Muslim a Fiakobi electoral area assembly member Honorable Ufia Sanso and an apostle Nyameche Apostle Philip Nyameche and so apostle a president Holy Harvest Christian Church we try to have a baby na ye din komo we carry last week one penny easy restrictions no fiada no union muslim for e commerce na me that so SD for bibinti o man ko se that so osome ene muslim for akọ o chan ko se that se akọ 100 people na e also move around sorry them also move around mosque no omu di so ana say omu edi so and need to be frank with you with many airport central mosque in Kumasi, Santa Region. And I can tell you, say, if you 100 there, the original TV man, and then go for. And I'm a new one. So, piano, and I just over call. Wow, son. If you're home, a back, you're not yet to me. Yes, I am a Fakwaba. It was so Sinopi on Sinopi Kumaut TV. I didn't say Fakwa in American kind of as it stands now, Ghana COVID-19 cases 10,856. Oh no, when you do Ghana, I don't know. You do 10,000 and 10,201. 10,856. Additional 97 more recoveries and yeah, so on one total 38,000 sorry 3,824 3,824 and now at all severe conditions 16 critical 6 sanity or my Ghana the local regions now I have region 1 Bono region 1 Savannah 1 Northeast region 2 Bono East region 13 Upper West region 22, Upper Northern region 37, Uti region 27, Western North region 79, Upper East region 128, Eastern region 204, Volta region 212, Central region 539, Western region 874, Greater Accra region 6,791, 6,791 in Greater Accra region, the highest. Followed by Ashanti region with 1,905. So far, we have recorded 48 deaths in our country. Contact tracers are Omo Ghana in Ashanti region. As a Sika Abaye Sodomo daily was 150 Ghana cedis. In the Yateso, about 70 Ghana cedis. Ntomo Jedumane, Omo Nakran could see Omo Money Arini Bino. And what me as with you on crab and as soon as in everything, you're training free department. If this is happening, a family individual, the NDC COVID-19 technical teams that you said, they are already see cost room. See, I'm very Anthony Meya. If your school, say 15th, university phone call, 22nd, secondary school phone call, now on the 29th, JHS phone call, I'm sure you are not a best quality. I'm a me and Swan. I'm on by Anthony Meya. Adam on COVID-19. If you am ready, now you come. Apostle Philip Yameche, Apostle Ababa.
Yeah, no.
Adaro my Biabo.
Christa don't move power. Yes.
COVID-19 was still now. Some of them are so high for power.
Oh, say when you come on the so. I'm not a boy home by become sably. And a rather good cry. Okay, move.
Now. Holy Harvest Christian Church. Our
Asafo VIP area ho. Old Champion Divine Clinic.
Okay.
Aprosano.
Yeah.
I mean, Bible.
So let's do that.
I hope you Bonnie be any.
Yeah, also come. So second tell you.
That's right.
We just can tell you earlier. But now
you are not me paying for sending some Kubiuma, Senamaba.
That's what it was.
I a bomodin say a bear Eddie between your lecture area.
Yes, sir, sorry, I see.
Last week, we call mosque.
And then
we call mosque.
Oh,
last week, we call central mosque. And this week, we call Abu. Yeah. Boko
environmental supplement no so
yeguso ahunye ni de ebekọ so abo hu dawro na ya hwe kwan a ebefa so ama ahunye pa ebeba krimu na masi na ni patam nyina afa ne tima pa afra
yeni komo crisis artists so far aba religious activities so e cost ama fu so say se ni emi mpo ne yadu say ya ya sha asisi de ahwe ko di pa ma me sha say fi so what are the cost mo kwa so Sunday let say
oh ya kwa so Sunday na meeting na bibia de dana kwan esan se chishade a ma mpanyi de to ho mai se yenye ansa na yakosom no etimi di so pepepe nti bibia to yi edemaye
before ansa na no bi me bra so dem na process bra no ko
ansa ni pan be bra so dem ho no ohro ni nsa liquid soap we are not preparing sakama na wabani a checking the temperature e check we are afi ya record they are taking the panel location address baby a wote ya training na wi a na afi wa for so ho drew entrance ona na washa ba ku jan na hand sanitizer o de guni sem pan sem kama afi wa share nose mask afi wa for so wa better say
na take your temperature munya
na eni su bebre but obu hot me say o see ye no nante efre bia labor saa na oba nto o medru bia na fifiri kra te no to check ya we say oso akan to kat one transit na ho me a tata to check we say eh normal e bibia to ko say ye wo health people for we ntina omo emma ye nimdie because we dey nim oba ya che say dey trouble maso na che say check but omo ntimi kire say dey bi go ho a oba kro office time into dimirika nti ko ba sa na check ya be hunu say any still but ogina ho me kakra na check ya we say bibia yo kidi ntimi check na bia 3-4 times we be hunu say for the winner stable value no ntimi ye bibia ye boko
ba apostle everybody na mo say asori ase mo twa mo bia bewie na mo asha ase
ebrani san say eye one na one nti say o ka say wo twa mo bia ba yin ne nim Ghana for time obi o wa ono no time o sha so asa fe sa ta no free fiaba nti yen no ye say ase 10 let's say we 11 but ye ba 9 na 9 to 10 no ye dey take some measures no wash of hands ne sa temperature checking no nti ye mo 10 no that is say ni padodo na e wo ho that say depending micro na say in fact ye nya do na ai betimi asase to wa be late so ba na to so check na wa ba ti bibia ko ye duma ye
Sunday ni me pa soro bi na de mo ka che me say oh afi na madam Weiba oba e 20 minutes in the hair so 20 minutes it means so the body can asase ni an mo tata me kana mo ya na
oh that on say eno no nyina no ya na ade bia no benya na ensugo obu ho a onfa ho say last person cry ba so so upon 11 last person cry ba e bia 11:50 no obe ro vacancy 11:50 ko chance but say o yes anu a obe den na watimi de emla e de amount wetim da ye o yes a one na create problem e de mawo because o man penisi nim la so a na say wo ye osofo wo ye gidini a ye na say ye dim la so atuma mu fo na so mo nye gidi fo na sua ye o motimi ai dai am na take Kristo na mo enti emla de ye di so ate de o kan obeni obi obesa ane de wo wiase na wo nu nya bibia pepe
right for ye din komo on COVID-19 and religious activities shase na no efiada na o twa wi ye so ye toa so wo sorry o ko ye what were the challenges you can share with us through the numbers we screen no WhatsApp with me and ya share what were the challenges our PC was sorry creating inconvenience and for me in particular yantonyom nti leaders na kwa tonyom one as a omo konyo onum so I decided not to go this week because my nya down kanwa or something so did you see the same
oh yeah as I say nipa ye used to I was praises no say ye him ye ho ne bia no nipa ye used to on say Roman ne Methodist no ne say that no mo doctor sa yes style no sa yen Pentecostal for style afi no mo doctor enti yen na ya ye dede no no edru say na members no be face challenge kakra cause all master want me say him no bibi be to sini kakra na so sa woti nyamesoma se a onyamesom no enye dede ye ne se enko hulihuli na yen ko tututu ye nan ya asem no ana akokoti nti uti asem no na se him bi ana se osori onyu bi ye to de siesie ho a onsa ka bibia the free say
I go so den come apostle atten come men call muslim also kwa sorry Friday Central Mosque last week Friday was fantastic the arrangement everything was modern haya kwa na beto to muta gani bi omo gani ya sorry so we say come last week we here na and then so call ya compare we are come
Edi kan mecha ahwefo a mo hwe sabre na tifo. And he said last week said there was a kind sorry. And he said all the protocols are very observed because the Ashanti Chief Imam and the BED prayers. I think the mosque na kasano. He said mosque premises, you know, yeah, na ibinu esum because we share esum now. Some about 40-50 yards away from the mosque, you know, you can join the congregation, not necessarily coming into the mosque. So, inti ebia ube say prayers were being observed. Some people were outside. If we say ebia, but the number of people outside, you know, about 100. But here comes a case say inside the mosque na ankasano nipa ewo mu no omo 100. But then now say per our teachings, you know, per the laws of the religion, you know, and makwan yards away from the mosque, you know, you can join the congregation. So inti let me say no etimiye. So etimiye even houses very closer to the mosque. You can be in your house and then join the congregational prayers. It's allowed.
But were there any instances in the
for once. Say Imam no LED prayers now in the teachings in the Quran. Say Oba late. Yemfani say Oba you observe 2 rakat. So inti Oba na obetu say Imam when the last Imam or close prayers, then you can join. I will say uko na ukoye udie separate. So inti yeno enye say ebia Imam abeli di prayers every na set of group na then happy na another set as above. No, it's not done in that way. Yeah, for once.
Before answer no be ura mosque na so be ura the entrance of no here.
Currently, you know, per the protocols I buy, you know, previously now it may ba perform ablution at the mosque. Now it's no more. Currently, you know, you have to perform your ablution home. You have to come out with your mat, your own mat. One over bedding, about big nasu, no observe prayers, we are no abubon kama, and they are showing moto with their coffee. Until there are so many protocols about the directives. That's what we are following in doing the prayers. The issue is Anya baby, whether a how and I say how you have to adjust yourself to the situation. But your bumper is any permanent. Yeah.
But you also call about
yes.
And then they say even the social distancing. I said I need to myself.
I don't know. Uko Mox then? Central Mox.
Yes.
The issue is Ura Mox no.
Me inside. Outside, you know. I'm out for compile. You could see the social distancing.
Yeah, the issue is send them new sikano. Who say on the compound you very vast land meaning say even sorry na say on that compound krana it can contain a lot of people per the 1 meter yards different no a bit me but meaning how say and at the time I woke up to some microphone with the almost state of arrangements of Maya or Moody observers are prayers. So
but when of no smart yeah. I think you're
Share nose mask because it's part of the protocol. Say we share nose mask. Now wababe observe prayers.
Okay.
And if you are not wearing a nose mask because mocks nankasa or tax forces are more checking those protocols, you know, not to invade or to undermine all those protocols listed. And me say omuni nemu ehwe omuhu bibia ebe bridge contrary and I say ebe contrary to the protocols now yedi eye adwuma no they will not allow that. Yeah.
It was a very good so eating on COVID-19 and religious activities. Now, if you are not sorry, I call you. How near money be a bear moon? How I answer your His Excellency and the leader of this country. Now, let me have a picture. The novel coronavirus. No, you meet to me at was a free command. What are you number? Now, yeah, I'm very back in kind. Papa, whatever. Oh, share, Yara, be a sissy, is he ever? What I said, I already see a fighting. You see, about 10,856. Already.
Yeah, me that's it. Yare no, de bia na manugu so me kan asem wi. Yare na aba no. Yare no aba ene ya ba betena. Na sese no se ye kase Ghana man nyina ento santene. Na yen check obi a ye betwam sa with 10,000 plus because yare no edi kan eba ya nsakura na ehun da rubo ebeba
Mr. whatever me body come agra e wa kuma so emra ma me ne the PRO to the Asante Regional Chief Imam Minia Mohammed Mumi Bun Bida Mohammed Otel kan ya mwadwa nyumre
Hello.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Mr. Allah Kunti Moyaba.
I hardly hear you. The line is faint.
I believe you are doing well.
The line is faint.
Okay. But can you hear me?
Okay, you can talk.
Good. And then the second time restrictions easy when they call mosque. So far as a PRO, who assessed last week and this week about saying
my name is Mudindi Muhammad Bumbida. I'm a PRO for the Kumasi Ashanti Regional Chief Imam. Now at Central Mosque, when last week, this week, Rebecca said, we are doing all the protocols, president, everybody, we are doing super protocol. The only thing me say this week, ambulance, you found by only a standby station. Some of the BSC are their friends because majority of them are Muslims. Until the Mutani Bahosa or Bedna Hosa and Yoshi, Abby and so a big one with services. So we thought it was one say, I'm from my share higher idea. Yama ambulance service, ambulance in Siman Shawa, the BBC are not afraid more quickly because already you are democratic place, near isolation center.
Now, in the Mosha see last week, and then taking the temperature, I must say, I was so, yeah, so in the crack. Now, yeah, studying and I say, Abia, or Mamma will take your temperature, that could be okay.
Let me say, President Kassia Nipa 100 until anyone edition. Yanya and Kalbia Beba Mosque. But we should listen now. The Brena about last week, the Breamba this week. We perform for us register. And to Sada.
And Mohammed Meto okay, I say, more than in batches over this week and next week go Madam Frava.
We are sure that Kasa batches, but Nipa no worshippers na Ankasa. ọmọ ọmọ batches better because yẹn yan cut yan anasuta ẹ̀yẹ batches but who share list no I can say worshipers no ọmọ adhere to the protocol no ọmọ understand the effect of corona nti ọmọ ahyẹda yẹ sẹ mi ba this week ya mi ba next week saa na mi hu but yẹn de yan kasa officially yan kasa ẹ̀yẹ ni batches.
Oh, okay. 100 no. Inside the hall, and I said, and outside the premises in Ano, and I was saying 100. How much are they saying?
Our understanding, with the president message in Israel. And then we be out there that I was saying 100. Until you must, Masalachi inside me, Chitrina, yes, but largely no outside me. And also, if you are a fan of about 10,000, but over both inside and outside, you your manager for Nipa no more than 200 because outside means you are managing 100. The key thing in itself, social distancing, also we have been too sharp. Nipa is scatter in the mosque.
But what I saw today at the Central Mosque, outside, those over there were more than 100.
So, Minjin Misa Wakan, yeah, Mr. Aye. Minjin Misa, you report now, and I picture now, you Nipana Shadakan. I'm talking based on what we have as a list. And secondly, then mosque, even says you. Nti nipa no gbajina ho na wo hwe nipa no na wo ka say book 200. I don't know what assessment the person used.
Okay. Ya na say you dem re na fi e no be fi na nyamre bi komo pa. That's fa.
Yeah, Mr. that.
Good. Mohammed Mumin Bon Bida PRO the Ashanti Regional Chief Imam and our tenant canonty protocols no somebody here outside no we manage and take 100 although we give them for more than 1,005. That is the good news. Fighting against COVID-19. Papa, Momo Bois will be a webby came to her came upon so a webby. Are you ready? You fight against this virus no. Moko asoro in your time educate church members no on safety protocols now.
Yeah. Na dedi kan oman painful na na dan kokofo ado. Ene na pamfo. Oman ya de bebre. Ewo kon aye kon etia sa yare. Na on se Ghana no anyi yensem ansana yeso ano. Oman bebre wo ho a eje omo nsem. Ansana omo eso ano. Se eje omo nsem na wo so ano a bebre. But yen no oman panin na pamfo no ete na oman tena so. Omo som ama necessary arrangement bi e se omo ye bia no omo ye ana akoa ba bedu sam pepenso yi na sam pepenso number na ye nya na e kosoro no obi be na adwen se bia e ginsemo ana se bia ye bewu ana bibisa me nkwa adwen kire de nya ade a Ghana ya rewe e be me ne ye isan se
ababa ne mo e sha se ne mi no
de tia me kasa ne se Ghana man nyina se ekoto santesi e ko check ye mugem se de ye to aba ye no a chese ye betwam 50,000 credit say so what you say esese ho akwete say enne ya ewoyi o do opasi a ye be test wa say bia ye ba be check e bia malaria na ye hwe e bia edwomofo nyina ye hwe obi ho wo bi na so ni be bia ampai no ni timpai no na ho nya nimre na num nya no enti wonu se nipa no ya ncheke no a oni na esane se onipa no adwene anya connect bibi enti se onya atenka se wo bia adwene connect emma feelings bi esese de ne to no emma because enipa wa adwene ene si bibi so a na fi start se eye adwuma enti obi o wa wo check na hunu se yale wo bia bo so start na odwendwene ho akwa se HIV enipa no bre ewo HIV ba moment a wo be check se wo bi no no start e fon ene yale na manipa ne fon wo adedwe no ene am sisi e odum so obewu
pressure
ensuo kura won nom aduane kura won ni because obi who say wo bi so a nipa ne nchia no nipa ne nkasa nipa ne nya bibia pato so ate ase enti saa yarewe na ye kono yare ni wo ho e de hye nipa wo bebre but adwene ne nkɔ ho nti no sɛ wakura no wo gba obo mode pa kekaduro mode po asikyire mu we ya ebekɔ so no ne ho ba bi na dodo no a obo mode nkɔ ekɔ pay de nim tiri na sɛ ha baby ekeka bo mu omo gye herbal medicine edie no obo mode bo wura ho no kɔ pay bibi ye ya obi nso a kɔ drugstore kɔ pay duro bi no ya na kɔ because adwene nya ne den esi hɔ to sɛ ne ho ba den ebeto no o de ye hwɛ saa contact tracing enipa dodo a yɛsɛ omonya bi na yɛn hwɛ sɛ yɛde ɔmo kɔ gu baabi hwɛ ɔmo anaasɛ ɔmo akata te ɔmo fie enipa dodoɔ sɛn ɛna yɛsɛ de yi ɔmo firi ɔmo busum de ɔmo kɔhyɛ baabi ani wɔn hu ɔmo ayɛyɛ ɔmo esua ɔmo akata te ɔmo fie na ɔmo ko no ɛdɔɔso enti saa ɔmo eti ɔmo fie na ɔmo ko no dɔɔso emu sɛ ɛkwan bɛn na ɔmo fa so a saa recovery na ɔmo tɔ wɔn.
About your question, Mami. Sabai, good evening. Watching you live from my trees. Please ask Pastor for me. Do they lay hands on the church members? What are directed by the Holy Spirit?
Oh, yeah, sir. I can direct it for one penny the mayo.
And that's it. That's a little bit of umpire without laying hands.
Oh, sir. Adia bia one the quine. Okay, kind Romans 13. Bible say, "Mon fe ni die, emma empanyifo a onyame esi omo hene omudi mo so." Ye betimi ayo Abraham found santu nipa no so. Edru mre bi so a directive timi ba by the Holy Spirit say, "Ebia lay hands." But now no, enam say oyo ogidi ni na oje Awurade asem di na odi mmla so. Na twosem no so asa ka che o say opanyi biara ye yi na ma no, di ni sunti panyi ni say enwa ete se wutimi di so se de be ye di asomdue we den ebeba wo de ye hwe ebla ye se ye nkwa asori ya me nuanum bi kwa asori ama ye tim de bi mu ko gya asem di bia ama ye fan bi ye jeli bi enti bu se o se sa bre na ye jeli na Holy Spirit ni wada na nyame ni ho a wa meka ma so wo ye adwuma no wo ye menya nkopon ade nyame ameka nche o se be adwuma na wo ye dumunya no but ete se wo di mmla e wo man ni mu so
Omenasi omenko onabo kemi money ben amonko is a so far Santi region na me and papa papa Dr. Kwako so on person be exact figure kemi ya recorded ayare no and amonto be na as kemi move to e dey make sure say at least you never go for
me say it's all about social distancing. Let me say during the lockdown, in the China, a boy homoding so say be a marketing on be observe social distance.
By some of
you
know, I say, good fear, comment,
yeah,
boys on
you market as a social distancing, no, a need man. And to me observe social distancing in so and everyone near to see. Let me say, take your opportunity so a cleaning marketing during the lockdown. Now, if you say be any market one my any opportunity because and you say on daily basis you're cleaning markets, but there are certain corners are unya quite and cleaning because of the congestion in the market. And you take advantage as at the time of restriction in buying. You're cleaning market say be a bit too thin at the ama and no crash so say measures now you see fin crash no cinema ya near there anything my see emfa sanitizer emfa liquid soap ni so wuri and sana ade na you observe personal hygiene say be ya area no yeah nyebi and you say care me ebo mo humodin in that order. So you're sensitizing crop based on those things. Recently, a launch stigma. So stigma against COVID-19. So a launch a Oraxi Park. Animina no care me. A bonny human the Danny da say bear yarian subede the buffalo. So let me say everything is in order. Say KMA so part said it's up to the team and phones say almost bed on beboa. Na yatimi anya sene yesi pen.
But first no na regional minister any may in a crisis you see now we should know smart na I'm not be pussy for better and then we said that pie and time even some drivers no smart you see a police officer now don't have an passengers from and traders and the brain used to be enforcement now.
Baby, you go enforcement. No, say, never sound. No, I've been an enemy catcher say on the part of the central market. Social distancing is not being observed currently. The issue is, what my central market, who enforce law, and I say other civilians, be our money number, be an organization or what. Who enforce law on them, ya no official how. But omunsu enkan hu say omunye ginti na we dey. We are sadien. Say be will be protect wo. Enti the baby any wa enforce law ema obi eni dey eje. So that doesn't mean say they are told say we are not going to enforce the law. We'll continue to do that and make sure that everybody is going according to the restriction and then the protocols.
Honorable, so far we share the current trend. We are hearing of this cost. Like I said, the bit me I be I'm an assassin.
You bet me. Say, and no one say you be observe. Nema ye be a good crime. Say,
some Ghanaians have been doing it.
Recalcitrant Ghanaians are doing that. So we are law-abiding citizens. And you can say, Oma, Ubikwa betre say, see, anyway. So,
we were just surprised there, and then majority of the achievements have said, staff of parliament, MPP, any media personality be or more parliament, they still come to parliament. Was or more minimum I think we are really the person.
The issue is, being the majority leader of parliament, you have better take samples of parliamentarians and their staffs. Now, yet many why are they not quarantining them? They have to quarantine those people. It's not on the will of those people to come to parliament willingly, to the best of my knowledge, baby. Yeah. You know, voluntary testing. Yeah, voluntary testing. To be anywhere or be.
So far, we are okay as an assembly member. We are okay about effort. PMA move to fight COVID-19.
Yes. Make us a young cosu and enforce protocols, laws. Making sure say there's sanity everywhere. I prevent the mass of the people from getting up the virus.
Right. Okay. Papa, I bought a bit near you because in here true. A true I said we have to boost our immune system. Yes, Marshall, sorry, I see you. I will be because what moving in Museum and what else about now.
Oh, Empire, what dear? I dear Pierre, you are on say, a you unconquered being in GDA. I crano. Me meet menya, ya really be. Meet me a bompire swan frame in Yankopon. Obit much say, I dear menya, wedding, ever told me. Obi subit menya be, only subit my bompire swan frame in Yankopon. Obi subit menya be, only GDA or the bomper on the free say, Ebia. Or so far one or the other. Plenty empire body, Onyami betimi agents and training. But say, young umpire, man, Yakupon, and my cancer say, for when a blood now, my winina will be a may issue a particular tenor. Media to me, my drinks, Leno, and to me near to Massa. I didn't make us a son say, oh, be a when you did ya a crown. They say, me Christoni. Na honorable to him. Meme Jesus Christ. Also Muhammad. Ye na ye this Yankopon ewo. sɛ me makɔ sɛ de makɔ bɔ mpae sɛ ho nkonkoro se kɔtete ɛsere na obi afa nto ne kom ɛbɛkɔ a ne didie no me didie nye baako nti wɔnyɛ edi sɛ me ba bɛka sɛ bia na na do bɛka sɛ o sɔfo yi se nyame akata kyinto obi anya na obi a na bɛyɛ but ɛyɛ based on one's belief and faith last COVID-19 bɛyɛ na meka asɛm bi sɛ it's about time ka the religious groups no denomination no sɛ obi biara a wogye di sɛ wo nyankopɔn no ɔhaw yi ba som frɛ wo nyankopɔn sɛ wo som frɛ wo nyankopɔn a wo nyame bɛkyerɛ wo kwadeɛ si wo nyame na asɔfoɔ sɛbi sorry to say obi pante kora hyɛ na nyame tumi bie sɔfo bi ani ɛma ne hu the color of pante kora a ɛhyɛ no na yɛle ato church member wo nyame gyimi nka nkyerɛ ade a yɛma ne ho ntɔ na ne nyame bɛyɛ na wosom wɔ no ɛtumi de bia no bɛka sɛ yɛde wei ni ɛbaeɛ no na naado woyɛ ne part the first week wɔ kan ɔsɔ ne deɛ sunsum hɔ ne deɛ wɔni hɔ but honam mu nimdeɛ no wɔde bɛtoto na yɛn na yɛnhyɛ yɛ didifoɔ na yɛkura no ɛdɛ sɛ ɔso do faith ɛyɛ adwuma.
Mami answer lines we and then you see a good line I'm saying we are getting problem with that. See with me afre on 0546 728568 0546 728568 you could screen and with me afre na afi atom you didn't come up on COVID-19 and the religious Sunday and you come up Friday last week and this week, you know, I was saying, are you okay? My father also knew this time, no, I saw them a year, and I said, well, because what was my
and the mechanic say, ye did it for no, see a junior media, South Brenner said demonstrating in Yamina, yes, someone. South Naminian Munkremo for Mudidi, ye say, or Mudidi or Muwo, Munyamimono, Obinia Renibia, Sebi, Obe. Bia doctor Becca said, ye way, but ni did you know, also with my bompaye, as one friend in Yami bit my tremor. I did be a 1 year on us who bit my tunnel. And till Yari winner a banner. And maybe a carmen come my drink to that, Nana do Yanidi. I was small do no be so any idea. Now you need to Mumunko. Now trade up when I go.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello, sir. Right.
Yes, that from you. Oh, sorry. 0546. I think it's with me after I don't know so. 0546 728568. COVID-19 and everything activities. Yes, Papa.
And the other man who goes to America, no, Yenina, Obian, and from dear, and from moi or Mampenny in a pump for. Now, me would did ye say, said ye, Yariba, yet me, Pebia, what Tom over 3,000. Unyankopon a bit my sense.
Whilst the baby, I'm woman, and now we are letting my 10 years. We are always yes, Miss Yama. Me
who be no be so and Fabian Ma. Me say I ran no say I ran the one command pay for Comonka. Oh, and our social media so ya who said the Kofu woo or my soul there. Am I so was Monamonia? Am I so about Senegal? Oh, now, more than 100. What is it? Oh, sorry. There will be a complaints when you Muslim? Yeah. Oh, no. Yes. We are no Muslim for one of us members anymore, lecture area. Actually,
then, Mimi, lecture area.
Hello, good evening. Hello. Yes, good evening. Hello, good evening. What is wrong with the line? Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Zarak. Want to make me chapa, name of town, you know, and shall I have me team into Kaka make can say, compliment you once and now only as of when I can was Nana Dr. Febo over crime, Michiana. May I be Dr. Febo Kaya, Mima Sheki Kakaye. Ɔsi Dr. Makuma ko 70 ɛna ɛnyɛ bi a ɔmo atɛsi ɔmo nti sɛnea na asɔfoɔ no ka no ne de ɛhyɛ sɛnea ɔmo mpanyin ɔmo hyɛ no ɔmo ni so sɛnea ɛtiri bɛɛ Sunday ne kɔ asɔre Nami adum Assemblies of God the cham so de e 1 hour bi am so then the problem your government mam ka kwa kakra di unsa omo no omo be Ghana card no nipa 600 omo mu na ko gu wa hot but adentima ka soro nko omo miem emma ne nipa bi ya soro e abrose to so 3 e betri akwa nipa bi 300 kura no but nipa 100 but no pay when the nipa 600 at me so Monday no is any TV so one won't you almost chance of one but that's it.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. It's good. It's a more. Yes.
The issue is Mindia ya okasa onya butre kakra. Me say unse say BBC sana yare de timi ba once but ahoto no this kakra na aba be free ho. Kasi biem ama kofo akwa sorry ni ekika ho a edo how.
Hello, good evening. Hello. Good evening.
So enti president kasa no kra no okase yen kon kakra so ebia the next year or baby pia kasa no ebia said expectations no ebeko initially na 25.
Hello,
good evening.
good evening.
We are free.
Yeah, but me say na mo kasa fa COVID-19 asofo na won me da o me radio say mo yes apo gana nyame sha mo say the me person dey kan say ye gidifo a anka nyame ebetumi ahwoden wosra adumi ensanke ye mpanji ne ma ya tiada ena ewiase so de se wo bobere nyame nie ni mu a abrabo na wo bonu ni ewie kaye ko yare no ho aba eze de o se ye ne se obesi nyame so won boye na yini onni saya de ko so mo ko ne yare safo se be pezi a ye ka so manya bi onzo omu eye omu akwa knowledge so mo de be twitwa de nipa ayi nipa fiyale yo omu po omu kwa knowledge bi di nipa no omu nya bidi a e kire se nyankopon na ye hene enti e wo se Ghanaians ye ko we de ni mo mpaibom na asofo so mu se mu tira so be dinami hemo God they preach faith, they preach God, they preach miracle, but they are failed because I don't know I protect your life. Who can God that me said that me that more sacrifice now he not bring us here the say but only deny and yeah declare and yam baby or man or he not come down the soon. I saw for Ghana binima coma. Entimin down where the idea also community and yoke as we are saying omunada nti yare ne say am no so anse nyame pa de akwa ne bi nyansa kwa e be yedin ama oman nyame sha na bi pa mo
he clearly said some pastors and men of God have failed this country. I don't know the other was someone here our man we did not pray I did not am one
by minhu from the aspect or from the angle or no or kasa ifri say the men of God protect them. Oh, of course.
Right. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, I'm free.
Free, Elmina.
Okay, you.
Martin Shannon, come on, I am the power, when you cut down all canoe. Because Siciano, actually, everybody will see all Kana, Indian or Jida from because of Allah Hassan. Actually, a year now, the Muslims, Sician will be 1 hour watching if I were able to have what would receive in them, Yerban. If you come in Christians also, also which will be GDB, they are not on my side. On our Kona on my urban obey, now so you can also for that.
if you ever say the way you know the I campaign to be easy when you mean need to na ya ku the the no it's my channel so you mean also you ba ni pa
Yes, na yes, that's fine. Na fa Asia. More special prayer be more on COVID-19.
Yeah.
Okay, Papa mo bisa.
Oh.
Papa yes mo bisa.
Onyame mu de se obi abom pai.
That more special prayer on COVID-19.
Oh, special prayer say see abom pai mo man no wo yare no.
More special prayer on COVID-19 papa.
Oh, special prayer dey me nim special prayer bia o mo kan ho asam sisi.
Mo yare dey nya.
Ye bom pai se yare e bai enye Ghana kwa. Wiase afa ne nyina. Enti ye bom pai se we ade bia ababeto ye so a yenhu bi da. Se be ya nyame ena desire bai wo no na woni yare ne ye den. Specific prayer. Very powerful one. Medical mecha ahwefo ne atifo a mo hwe sabre na obia be hwe se protocols na ye de agu kwa mu no obi di so nose mask sanitizer bibia wash your hand ne wine obi di so se be ya obi stay safe se uni baby papa bia don't go to congregation so say I fro ni wine now I see ya bie ma ko handle di kra e bi ma sha say ye na ade so enti sa no ye ya yenye no portion
Musa Zubeya or say he resembles future sir, please tell honorable he resembles future minister for Zongo development. What's the be
thanks to Allah if it happens.
Right.
Yeah.
Good. Honorable Assembly member for Efia Kubi electoral area in Ashanti Region, Kumasi, and then chairman environmental committee. Okay, environmental committee convener, KMI, and he's a Muslim. Honorable Salif Muslim. And I'm thinking, what do you want also need you Muslim?
Aye.
The kind of Muslim I say Muslim. Right, how about so? Me caught there and you did.
Oh, dear, as one I can't tell me telephone and say, Obi agidi o owo no onsom yi na yare we na aba no se de kwala ba ko ekan no se e de se yesu afri nyankopon obi a se wo so wo nyame a sa bre na se utu frɛ no cause me mu nyame intimi so frɛ me nyame me ne me manyina yesu afri nyankopon ami nyame abo ye ho ban ti ye no ye nam owo sum kabi mu po a yesu hwe esan se wo nyame a ode na ba ne poma no one ode nam etche ye re
o ye o sorry Muslim be o lecture area ba o sorry o so sorry no fine
asafo VIP terminal o champion divine clinic Diana so ho na
about the prophet
the apostle
and on dia na mi bi ju e ko mu bibi fana ba ti jana
the number is 0244 145696 0244 145696 na me catch no bia say me ma obi ensuo ya wiwi na wonya bi mpo a na wo ginya medi a e be free so ko
right we di dia imu otru na imu do bia ojidi no ss na bia ba dia onso go hu dia papa eka Apostle Philip Nyameche president Holy Harvest Christian Church of Ghana and oti ono so kan ambassador e mai pani for na ipia o mai ba amanyofo no atnas ebinyamre na afi yetimi ene ono so atros Right, yes, I am a Kwaba, and from a Sinopi on Kumawood TV. Uncle Wallace Abbeview, administrator, NDC, Ashanti region. So, and of a K, Royal Wisi, special aid at the and a campaign manager at the Benful Samuel, or no, and honorable Katie Hammond, agent Awana Siaspa, and then Ashanti regional communication team member, Esufia. A special birthday wish, greetings, and Farmer Samira Bent Safiu. We are about 300 students at KNUST. Today is your birthday. Special greetings from the producer Bernard Ade and Ade. I will enjoy your day and enjoy it to the fullest. Uncle Wallace,
yeah, Sir Mike, maybe you so.
Maybe about it.
Sir Mike, get me home. So they are now the young ass.
But I said, woman on a party office, movie, is a course of Kamizu.
Oh, yeah, part of yeah, chairman, Papa Bio, or your secretary, Papa, or your organizer, all the executives are there. They are doing fantastic jobs.
But and then also a international day against child labor.
International day Nagana against child labor. Ba on dey didi e ho agro opa ebo sisi akra fa sofulai to ebu kwa no so ne duru apatrapa Johnson obehu wo mo ton ni ma wo me se opa mo nko na ko hwe mo fa camera ko to mo so na hwe ndi dey Charlie ba na kufu adokra fi kra Charlie ba ni ho ene ya o dey didi e ho agro enkora mo ton nkate ni ade nyina nya nkora ohia no wo manu ndi untimi nka se chinchina achi obi a odi 15 years whatever na above na so ye dima
but I said first no so we be ka say na mo fra no o do no ana kwa ofo yes camp for go school na o mo to ne ma na but say there thanks to the government of the day do na go school nti amma so atakra
say Mike obi o be kan say we owa me am tie damasi no efi damasi se nya kurasi o yo primary school na me to crazy na nado crazy ye tono sabia bottle no ye tono tekundama crazy ni akoto tekundama ye ton fanta bottle no half of it no ntine ye simple an kafre ntita sa child value de e free tete concert party o
but eswati kakra for na
eswatia sa tamane ye nkwada utwem damasi a daytime hu sem nkwada ton ni ma the night time na sa adi American ene opa ko he so hu sem nkwada ton ya how say eswati we me se opa ko ibi nkaje ti asisi a power powerful nkwada obudi power boy bibri o nya under 8
nti ye boy ho made an head am ho made
oh akufu ado ase no
akufu ado mo be se right okay akwaba
yeah
Samuel Brentford obeko adanse aswa
nka child labor assembly zanka o me ka no kakra
music am de wo mu wura
ketu abi just a jiffy child labor no problem mo the problem is before bibia na broni a chekere no de abeso ai ne nso ya di atum sa broni de ne ba wadi 10 years bonyomo ya so on a talent I'm them dokoko nam them bakuma as a child labor. What I say? The Ghanaian is an entrepreneur by birth. The Mr. Wallace say, me first bicycle I'm toy, me and I'm ton crazy and I'm Bobo Escana. Now was a P3 as a P4. And minting ye Benjamin. Ghanaians are very industrial. My brother, a time you want to go to school. No,
Jackson would 8 years.
What I say, and now come with industrial work here, then could I be? Obi tape machine, no, she chef phone near the say on the and channel talent.
Michael Jackson.
Now, Madame Doko, now, Madame Ba. And so, what I was a Branamin Say a bottle, a bottle, a bobo, spray, a Cataniano, no, I was a child labor. My brother. When African develops, the Western world will collapse. It's a fact. It's a fact.
They have answer for me now.
And answer for that.
And I say on a book among airport supermarket. So Muniga, ama nipa ko primo for Nyago, please command a crack as a promotion. Somewhat before or back up. Lots of Puniba and Deacon one.
Brother, Meda say, I'm privileged. Say, my Juma constituency open as the media past constituency youth organizer. Intimately, the whole constituency. The member of parliament for 20 years now will be uncontested.
20 years.
It's a fact.
That's what
5 terms. He is seeking to go on the 6th term unopposed.
So, only on is supposed to be called.
There be chair call 296. Statements are calling to say, or no, I think Honorable Kennedy Japan, Pen Akawa MPP ma, or call the same time. Na party no Emrawum, MPP ya di Jumana, MPP in Tinamti and Amboa, Emrawuma ya de bo party no humbra. Krati na fan and krata convert ya Kaleno, MPC on TRC, or the Neko P ya Kaleno, also on TRC, a connect, Neka Kaleno, also on TRC. Me no kasai wa man lawyers atchuro krata ma party ni say o mo 48 hours ebia e oversight na ma dombo du bebo ni din so qualify eno nti yenyini mfrim party na reply party ni say obi an honorable KTM on so wo evidence say party ni disqualify as am be for family. We follow due process and ameboa
Sabot na saboti na you are alleged is an honorable Japan Eka.
Mpacho. Ya boabo anoa wo constituency ase ya de bedan region. Na region aboabo ana ya de akoka national ana amboa. To aye e penny e da region ya no die. Bibia ni a ne ho na ye de eba. Nti yentumi nka se chairman onimbi, ombi pa. So o hwem ye de party mra aye de ayedwuma. Now don't forget 2016 honorable KTM okọ no post na chairman untumi ana regional chairman. And I'm a referee. Yes. So Brenda no a chairman, Papa. I'm asking you, Sir Mike. Sabreno no a chairman, Papa. Because Sabreno, honorable KTM on, and then in Krata and near my back. Obi be contest you and this will be a mo. Honorable Richard do anoche. Ye can say Krati Chen Kakra. I'm on Tia say come independent. 2016. Nene dear. To me na and be. No, a chairman, Papa, nene de were, sabi chairman for. Yeah, it's a cruise.
Count experience. My bank one saw that experience. Beneful, will be at Inner University at the same year. Maintain 2014. Experience, no
2014 you masters. And you master's degree.
Yes. We say, Katie Hammond. The experience or what they were party no na a very young guy I feel on no so many people now on first experience mean unfortunately and Monty as a nanga man last chance
but
no on nature someone
they me dancing say Mike they decline put it on record they decline say experience pan ya they can there baba bubu din bi a chero an ko say na omo parliament okay Freddie Blay okay Kwame Nabatels okay Papa we
this one
no oh this man your former or late JH Mensah it's on the name majority leader then meboa okay Kwame Adokofo my brother who tell the ambo boy okay SK Boafo okay Mami we Eugenia Kusimo okay Gifty Klenamo and I think come about parliament. Secondly, some obi opportunity say onye djuma bia untumi nka say onya ade ana meboa obia my brother Ghana ha yen show on record omo di student leadership like moves president aya omo fit to politics mo to say they are ministerial materials so ma ne boa mamo oku de to black amo ke damboche mo 2014 Sami first degree 2010 and we a second degree masters at KNUST. 2010 with Christian service. So be anymore. He was the SRC president. nti eba leadership dia na brother sebi mpanifo mamo nyema no nsi bone o ye say ye wo hene no na pani ye de ete ase na keti abo ko 2000 na experience for no ko 92 no no muni o se na o mo so ho ana meboa nta na wo ka de na pa chairman sabonsu okọ parliament ne classmate bi ani ho bi mo thank e ba kwa fo mu nya ba that me can MPP side.
He is the longest serving.
Yes, MPP for now. Even over next year 2000 I come here nipe. Aka onabo KTM ene Asen Central. Onabo Kennedy Japan. Masa ama ne mo abafio. Ana meboa. Mama Bantama, former Bantama. Ante Abena Dapa. Cecilia mo abafio. Aze ko say mo wai. And no one abe mpanifu a omo bo party na chibra a peace committee no mo ma no moteso SK boafo ene papa we Macmenu ana Kwame Adokofo mo de me MP na tena parliament at a time and na omo be mpanifu omo tifi a omo na etu nkurafo omo na etere se fa ha ye sei senka ye wa Kwame Adokofo a mafia nki nim napo ana na boa na no bi nim napo Baby, intina mpanifo se nkokurafo to san na come anti di.
Right. I'm going to ask.
Say Mike.
NPP primaries. It must say in your experience persons need to hope. Say the baby thing am na parliament no any so because as a parliament no na ho de no ba e na e ba for. Anyway, me entia Madam Ramat Ocha Dotia Amedia B. Otia Tulusu. A very good day. Yes,
yo, Sir Mike, yena mwasi. Some of this opportunity, say yani Ghana for na enkasanya ma ni for. Talking about experience. Experience no. Enye da kopeni di nyawo. Say dey na okan. Say ukumwa. Na wo chere mu na chese. Uni experience na. But when you experience now, so you see, insu a check for one. Say bon. The experience near Candia, Tafo, current MP, Akotoze, finance background, very good, and I think so. Wrong with you. The experience, you know, Albamba Bene, or no, as a former majority leader, or a health minister, or a works and housing minister. We. Almost say your experience, we say your experience, let us give the youth the chance to come up. I enter it home, eat even some or him. Baby, a few. Now, for Monahawi, maybe a trim with a crab or quanquam or Nubio Moto. So, more see Yako, Tawana, President Mahama. Presidential primaries. Every baby who you in that central region, I went along with him. The advanced party. We talked to the delegates before Mahama comes and takes over. Formula Enumbio. Do Uncle Dressip no him maton. Dressip no him maton. She can walk him baby. She can walk him baby. Aiding getting mammy soon. Aiding getting mammy soon. I know yes, you're Grace no him aton. Grace no him aton. Nesika no him made. Sika no him made. Easy in case mammy soon. Oko, I didn't. That is a problem. I didn't know. One can say mammy soon. Yes, what town race you were this car. That is the man we are talking about.
Kitty.
No. Kobina. Or the Kobina. Or the Kobina. Tahir. Hammer. Kobina. Tahir. What you need to hear for Kobina, Hammond. Papa was all contestant, painful. So also free, you. Painful, and the Kobina, Hammond. Oh, my Jesse. How dear, son is no fast, and it painful.
Oh, okay. In
the cages, you know, before KTM was so free for now. Because an offer seeing free. Let's don't know so free. Then I said, Hammond no one from Nanny. But Kobina Hammond, I will not so now Kobina Hammond, and then I can just see Binfo, Cosimensan, Kodosu, a fierce wa, now say a fierce well free, Adiasqua. na Hammond nifra ifra so kwa indian qualify yan disqualify we na so what to do yari ebenya na nka jadamu we want it say de ya na say dem free ko independent say nye den ya obetwen ontwen NDC vote so obetwen NPP vote
so it's what to advantage
KTM offer ko hwe ni vote nya from 2000 or call, 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, every year. So, tip the ban a year and this free. There been on the area, been an uncle Sava. No, Parliament. Omaka so we see 600 adina see Timbano. No, Casana. Because I didn't your friend said, drop the yam now. KTM and Lekasa or Kaya no. Was it Parliament won't sit under trees? So Parliament won't sit under trees. Obi a call horse ko kasa ma asukafo no hwe atendie odidie. Yan training wiase. You be see a dan for free nipa ahansia. Ni wa mo ye 275. Ndu ko fa ade esi nipa ahansia. MPP primaries no emu nsem bebre. Asantima mu ha ne wo. Tafofo pankro no ba bia akoto se weekend. Tafofo mema no omo ye MPP fo no. Omo dinsi omo kansem omo nya bre den say omo mo ba bia contest primaries no na we ni.
After wa koto.
Bra mi mo bia ni.
Louis Carroll.
Media me mo ba bia ni. We see omo say oba. Media me say me mo ba bia ni.
Ono kwa.
Omo say omo oba contest. Yes omo pe oba o. But yo say my mo bi din. Me tell the tia almost say almost percent or barber or parliamentary candidate. According to MPP for underground way, they don't want people to contest certain female MPs. Okay. In Tusha, Yasante in her. So, dubbing.
Yeah.
So, but
or contest.
And now almost person disqualify. Only a cry.
No, the panel 4. And
and I'm say, Javin, the other person we remember to be free.
Okay. You never.
So, more in free, no banner yedding. Yes, sir. Mount Ponte. Probably some of the post. Francisca. And I'm young Wabana. Maybe. On Uncle Echo. Afi Asuka. Yenia Yasuka. Papia Jay of Bubu, Gramofo de Guo, Adia Buzum, and Sam Buzum. Someone know came was Boy, Adi Gramofo than Guo. Among Gramofia breeding Dindi, or Sakubu Bubu, Asmasi, the same Patricia. No, no, Che, Kofi Matum Adino, 2016. Only a local Kofi for 1 day. And did I for say, or Badia, David, yes, 1 12 more. But one by a cat. Or baby, as you and my old parliament decide into we or no, you know, David, so would ya.
And I'm afraid, and my wood can snap 24. Oh, Gabby, and they don't know into when on before a moment ago, who feels so many at the Umberto and Bibi. They won't go and vote one vote to one vote to so I vote on this you.
Yeah.
So one could vote to a MPP
by default.
What could go to a man?
Never knows you.
Or no, you know. Asuka, so good, yeah. What a guy. Asuka, and Sana. Oko offense one. Offense, so and Cassa. And you could trap the guy in the Atuno. Offense, my avocat. Sir, won't trap almost more mocha. So I'm more can you not be before move, no move. Almost the wine crocodile almost to Jato, one party, because of health minister Adjaman. So, and Sana Oko is one. Narigu Gambaga, MPP youth protest over parliamentary aspirants. Aha, MPP communication director for Sabuba Pika. Aha, MPP primary. Delegates reject bribe after being asked to swear by Antoine Daiti. Who didn't solve Bavina? Who will be Sika? No catch is one for Antonia, my own who be a.
The Suta, dear, no, Mamma bet him in the crew.
Say no cray, say no cray. Media, you say, what a woman in Gumusa Formula. So, if Formula now call Asoka, and as of Frascana, Formana, you know where sitting MP. Now, only across the chairman for the constituency, and so one the support to man about 2016. One the support to man about 2016.
Also, Obana, so why
a constituency in India. No, Timika say, who are we sitting MP? Said delegation number now will be a TNT, Middleman Casa Bright. Omo TNT 500 Ghana, 5 million, maybe a Gokus. Omo be 5 million, me, Kofinti or whatever. Remember, 15.
Yeah, I think he said it one shoe.
1,500. 15 million to unseat you. And I sit in and say, hey, Kofi, Pamno Chanu for 15 million. Only 15 million multiplied 300. Also, I'm 300.
302.
Go. 300 for ease of calculation. 450 million old cities. And a coffee. I want to catch a me go on post. Formula and a year NDC for you see formula district hospital. Your boss will do 80%, 85%. Coffee, Akasa, Senanado. One more deep baby, we are the money. Now you find votes. No formula for us, we won't tell you. Nanado, M.A.M. I'm a coffee. Let's go one honorable. New Dubiasi. Omo MP, so a deputy minister for agriculture.
Yeah.
Also, there's a publication. Was he is fed up. He has regretted being an MP. Opa, check it.
I said, I don't need bed in the other.
Now there's now Opa post.
Yeah, Mahama comment. John Bobby say unnecessary for John Dramani Mahama to make such comments. Say elections now. Credible. If the results are flawed, they will not accept it. Yeah, two about Ghana, and one hope and what else?
Say Mike. 2012. 2012.
Yeah.
The two about you what happened in Ghana. Nana do Danko Kufuor do any MPP, any the friend said, the way we Jake Oman Kokot. I didn't know Kokot. Because they thought that things didn't go the way they thought they would go. Into Oman to Omanwasi and over the Kokot. And I don't Dramani Mahama so Kase. Say, two about to do 2020. Now, I did won't you be ni Kululu Bema, yen to moi, we know a day. Moment year Kokot 2013 January. The whole world, there is satellite that took call proceedings so for 8 good months, January to August, 8 good months. Now 8 good months near war, Adimuna international satellite that will be a freebie. A freebie be capital flight. Be a foreign investor, our main mono. Won't you want to serve them one? Would him give a see no Unisika if you man. The foreigners are more investments, all dollars, or hanging on or more. Repatriating. Everything is going up. Capital fear, nothing comes in. Ubi or outside, no person invested or Ghana in March, in April, in May, in June. And I don't forget you. Hey, Oma we hear Kufuor the president that call Adi court, Supreme Court. Ye dear Semno, a honor would do seek a court. Until nothing comes in, everything is going out. It creates a balance of payment crisis for us. Because foreigners in the Bebano, Esan say foreigners no emma by investing in the country, no, she cannot emma. And a foreigner change Janka Becca Hano. Esan say Omo Hanu slow and MACC no, not Omu A call. Until the Wahano call, it being flabon timber. But we ran the country for 8 months. Now, I can say, who the call for 8 months? Now, me say, I buy a between. And MACC electoral commissioner is not going to be a fair referee. Now, I'm a fairness. I'm now what to abano no declare any of say won't be a woman. Young into one. What
a sign of defeat and more consider defeat. Because I'm a young continue. That was said this way. I said, even before the outcome, somebody for court. It was after the elections, no more than a
Sir Mike. 2012, I hear bought a prom. Check it. There are videos. Samuel, what did he say? Anthony Cabo was say if the NDC wins the 2012 elections, Arab Spring, Baba Ghana, 2012 na Tunisia, Ubiayu ya Omoye demonstrations, ana coup ni nyama disturbance. No, what is said? NDC winning 2012 elections now. Sajino BCO. That was Anthony Cabo. Your friend say Hobbs Nadoye, and now one of them. Or see if the NDC win the 2012 elections, Afghanistan.
So comparatively, compare these people to somebody in NDC like Abia, Joshua Kamba, and Abia, But this is a statesman, John Dramani Mahama, former president of Ghana, making such statement.
Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo at the time was contesting the presidency of Ghana 2012. By all means, we must win this election, make or break. The 2012 elections is make and break, all die, be die. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo 2012, big statesman. He's been a parliamentarian from 1997. Abba foreign minister, Abba attorney general. The first attorney general in Ghana, obey ya or the Asemoko Kodo say the president versus Chachi Chikata. Instead of the state, the republic versus Chikata, or the president versus Chikata. No, yeah, Akufo-Addo. Wabon, as an attorney general, Sana American. Because lawyer beer you are, or the other court, or the president versus the no can say all die, be die. The 2012 elections. No. Or no, yes, statesman. Now, you tell me for a second, Nanka. I mean, can we be job? MP before Mokan said, D. Shadia Ubika or say any attack on Jim Mensah EC is an attack on MPP. Deputy Communication Director of the MPP, Mame Ya Abwaji. They can say any attack. One move, you know, is movement address or the what type we know. Any attack on Jim Mensah EC is an attack on MPP. MPP Deputy Communication Director, My Africa Today in a report to you, June 5th, 2020. Deputy Communication Director of the New Patriotic Party, Mame Ya Abwaji says, an attack on the Electoral Commissioner Jim Mensah by the NDC is an attack on the MPP. MPP ni Electoral Commissioner no omo utakan. Enti Mame started can we ya. What is the message he's sending? The message he's sending is Electoral Commissioner no. What's a woman handbag? She said the Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. We say she was sent to Butumu. One way chino Nana B Omo youth organizer and what the China dear from Pekoli. Was say you dare disrupt new voters registration exercise and see what will happen to you. You dare disrupt new voters register exercise and see what will happen to you. One way chino MP before ya ne kasayo. MP before ye in a Kasai also one like Kasai Nana Ubribwa said okay. What say elections no na say MPA NDC for a year near my empata won't premier one can say about you
or say easy back for you put register now we want you some about the same process in the behalf
obe premier is that necessary? And now the Dankwa Akufo-Addo, we can last one. I didn't know what say. John Mahama rules exist in the Green Book. Now I don't kind. We didn't think Pizu. John Mahama say a choir why you know. Nina Sakai no. Nina so and now do you say road construction projects are Mahama when Kiaka and I want to obey Kiaka into the contractors can be 2 billion Ghana cedis. Obi a wo se ade ni ho na paperwork o green book no wa so say I
was believing say I am anointing German South and East West, but now I'm at Libya watching you live. If John Mahama cry and Jesus Christ come to this land, cannot win 2020 elections. It's very funny. Greetings goes to Honorable Yao Afo, MP for German South constituency. Okay, they have we say, hey, Eric, we see long time from Jaru, Akrotu. And then say, okay, Jaru. Yes.
My classmate, 206.
Nana Kwame Mensah, Bones Shaker, Bonsu, Ahafo, Ntotroso. The best bet for Asutifi North NPP is Honorable Patrick Bano. So delegates should vote massively for him come 20th. Regards to Honorable APY, Ntotroso Assemblyman. Okay. We say, good evening, Savai. Please tell the NDC man he can quote all that he wants to quote, but you vote against them. Nana Ama Sewa Ampem Dansuman. Okay, and I'm also going to do the upper nine amre I can carry Eddie Ama. Right, Mamma.
Tell me. Maminka Ketu being friend, we bear 30 seconds. A word and say so elections. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Can and quarter the whole day with them. You're too about channel.
Specifics.
And I do a friend. As a campaign manager, you name the Guapo. You need to, you need second, you need bosom, you need malam, you need she. Bet and Krabi. David is only and near Goliath today or by their Kuno. And the candidate in the Casa or sister station was say, Honorable Katie Amon and a day Honorable Kennedy Japan ever to Abamana. What number concerns your bear campaign? Yene, the being Uncopon, never ever to Yaba. You need delegates almost 434. You didn't come or Yakobi or Yasamachero. If he say, Ombeti, what I say, na Asante Memon MPPC, and Nunti primaries, and you have many constituencies. I think 44 or 43. 44. We and Sanity man. Enti, Oko vote I one pair. Just one pair, Cratch East. And Hoka Uti. Say Uti, Cratchy Uti. Enti voter crowd the Indian Bureau. Enti what do the vote am NDC for your primaries, no? No to the Hoya day, a horse. Enti MPP Nibia or Shemi and you may be a mechanic say, Kawakuma to you. A train can. In Casa baby for your day, MFA. A pigeon is saying that the basic from Joe. I don't say soccer. Say, I catch a Benaz Monday now or family program. In near Winnie Saturday. No, but that's they see a comedy so no could says, it's medium we are near Befasona Yada and go for in an unlikely situation. That should we lose? Young guys like us, what do we lose? My brother, party I say, yeah, some party, no, that was our plans. My brother, say you Rajon Dramani Mahama. What Magana Benya so pain? Master, the office of the president, you can't. And your minister na MPB na no more cry gaga or my minister Obinya DC Kitwebia. Unkwana ne letter area kwa be 10 na 80 pen. And no kra no oba to say hey this na be. Na whole president rather unfortunate. Seriously. Also can say me say don bodu mo Samuel Kuna na bi mo ti say otu kono e ti edu nketi amo. Bet obi a watina presidential seat super. I want to do right to make it because you're tasked in the duty. And I'm as a teacher for so many years, missing in the job. So I retired teacher. Then Coca photo sign and a bamlanti dimna. Young to to best hand that be. No, what to me a four banya now can't ask me, my brother. What the more videos, smoke and come more back on my tearful tea. And you are on Dramani Mahama now say easy. Ghana buying president beyond to me interfere on the human. I know I can. say we have a solid EC. Now be to me interfere on the human energy. Or no answer that can also the no say there. When you are seeing that you are losing the game, vilify the referee so that you don't accept the scores. Okay? CBT NDC by 1 million vote 2016 now 2020. Nyamia Dumunti ebe beat NDC by 2.5 million votes. See, say voters register. You de 30 days chro. You de 30 days na chro. Mo say not best spread the COVID. Now the same 60 million na you do one day kosan la koto aba ndi ebetimi aye. Let logic prevail. One day na ye koto aba no. Ghana fo nyina tupu akono and the between at all. Share your democracy no. I think say okay, we are in the learning process because constitution ain't kind of clear and to by any day. In case of uncertainties, me sure say omo draft constitution omo jene cover the ho ana me ba better ba nti e fa
and then president no your position leader the statement to make your order guy so you know
and so democracy and say first I will take their personalities they dikan you Akufo-Addo yes our statement no when he has never tasted presidency and ameboa it's a fact no the minister to say the Ira Muhammad DB pena no IMP to say the Ira Muhammad IMP pena na nya wa say Muhammad or a statesman and ameboa we don't know yes into obi a watena kunya ne so pen na say na de o be ka sa asemu ya kire a wonu anso na ka kire o say ade no hu so obelusu a start ya attack e ba firi onu ananum na unu man this problem and this problem aso o ma asesi o mo di bi so MPP ne say o ma ko yi candidate o ma nkasa ko o mo nyini yes they know it Mr. Wallace be oti e woni say NDC for candidate no o ma yi no kura no on to me win election ma o yewura former president Jerry Rawlings aka well see even the NDC knows that the omo ye ni 2020 election 2024 right na 2024 no me mu so o msa de do ma be ba na me si form no asema me bu say NDC fo nyina say yewura do ma de Ghana I want to me win ababi it's a fact I'm telling you obewin ni aba NDC NDC president na Mahama of 5 votes so obi a 1 vote adai
say obi a 1 vote go because we wait in president
Nanado
same statement NDC for cancel Nanado and our president so if you are here saying say president be one
thank you I like that way I like the last statement the last word biem unto me na send this in fane ma biem the enti America say right
I'm back for
Ayatollah
before the best candidate for Asante Mampong is Adeni Mo. Greetings to my man of Ake. I say Mahama is a double standard politician, so we Ghanaians will not take him serious. Any idiot they say can go to court. That is why they are in court challenging the EC now. Good work done by my brother of K. Okay, say Bafo Ediode Abba, I don't know, right? Good. Dr. Baba Zamu, Master Planner, Junior Kintampo. So President Nana Addo is the best person to vote for come December 7. JDM and NDC has nothing good for us. New voters register will not decide the election, but rather track records. Teacher Kujo Tepa in also right. What will the NDC lose if EC compiles new voter register? Whether they like it or not, we will compile the new register. Tell Wallace that they will lose. Greetings to Dr. S.K. Nyama so MP. Nana, ya amponsa. Okay, in Swatre, I see the NPP knows they will lose the elections. That is why they are in bed with the Electoral Commission, but God is on our side. Okay, Farouk Tema or say NDC faithfuls should start demanding accountability from their leaders, because it's sickening to see them dwell in conspiracy theories and propaganda stars, but get to the courts and start singing different tunes. Okay, from Isaiah Man Ventures, Chronon Opposite Market. It's about time for Ghanaians to stop partisan politics and say the truth to contribute to the development of this nation. In regards to Dr. Isaac Yakobo incoming MD of Fenso South. In Sia Menu from Atebuwa Mountain, Savai. Good show this afternoon. I like the old man. Has he been an electoral commissioner before? The way he speaks, he can be the next Afarijan. Okay, and also Teacher, the Supreme Court has stated that the EC can go on with the compilation of new register. Period. That's not true. Supreme Court, but I will say, Honorable SK Miyama, okay, right, Miami, the issue of NI. Because the NDC claims that more MP before the NI account, and I'm going to go so. Now, more sabotage the NDC. Almost strong rules, almost no except for to every cast no surprise. And the professor, I think for the year, said, and this, but were you expecting him to come and say, even if it's money and I can't say the money is account allegedly by the NDC. This one, Mama, 2 minutes.
Sir Mike, me that say, oh, 2.
Yes,
but we, Oma, me offer, Kasa, etching one.
So on the
man, time kakro. Sir Mike, share Ghana, me and BB. The NIA is a state institution. And then I'm saying, what by Munti? This so a dear Cassia Pan say, or say, your boy and I, and I'm a boy. A dear, also making sure say, na Supreme Court near go money say, na ya mom why you fee no money value, Attorney General, Electoral Commission, Ghana Education Service, none of man and get me a day. Inti Mbato, John Board, me tears is here, me the party MPP and the government, and I'm a boy. Inti Professor Kenatifa, John Board na kokache and say, NBC forecast into the Yanwana. Tebi, the fact of the matter is, a on mandate, so defending the institution. Or no now I am not or deba bonting, no say. You're true to a dino, on say various reasons, Tiamadin, Ebika Dama, Unum, Memabi, me have changed my name before. Me deeper medical school, near family Louis Yauniama. But, say, one bam was study on Santinibia with Fiedi in old school. What's that is Adana? Your friend Kofi Mensa of Fie, near Feno, Charles in Tim, old school. And here, move Pajaka cry SS time, and I'm saying, David. I should have a common name.
Well, I have no option than to end you.
Oh,
yes, and Wallace, meet you.
And I, Can I
tell 2 hours too?
One more thing, Monshasa, Adiway. Over. Picky women, Mr. Papiki. Small. The same person, and I can hear you. The same person, Ibrahim Bisa. Osha, picture never left now. They said near dark blue, light blue. They all right now. Hey, dark blue. The same person, the same information, but Okoje had no side with man 2. I didn't try. Can I tell for? Explain it to us. Send people back home. What you mean? And I cast me. Omuko voter ready. No pilot testing. One more report to CB. Just a media man. No, yes, Omoko ibi. Omoko ya. Machine say monocrano. omo koye se omo di ya culture omo data omo dada.
Okay, my way am one to 02 I think say it is the old number now.
I know say afi na me ba na ye de na me din ba mu.
But you dey am to nti obetimi after screen so a numbers no e go screen ani.
Na ono achi no. MPP for ye kan chere se omo do mo lose abandada. I didn't na me ka sa. O mo sense bo achi. Or your deputy chief of staff.
Yeah.
Oh, what the president's office. Or about the contested Bantam seats. I didn't try. If you saw him, so almost lose 2020, there's so a parliament.
And I'm a chairman, you said, chairman say, or chairman said, I sent so much a near. Obey I still know being a deputy chief of staff and member of parliament. How
can he be?
Oh, so
member of parliament, be no staff that. Chief in the country.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir Mike.
Yes, you too.
Sir Mike, Nana calling me about to Sika. I have on top of it. Sir Mike, but Nana calling me about to have on top of it. A patrol, I'm not offering. I mean, patrol, what's there? I'm there, a bit of a 2 and send me a walk on. And I'm the best of the car. Now, all Casano. Or kind of not for the order be done once them. Or believe for the say big. I know different meaning the baby and I say in secret. But also Omampani Mahama, Omampani Dada Mahama, and some Oka. If I can say electoral commission say electoral commission go ahead to the compare voter register. BBC and I said the BBC and I said media be go on free number. No matter what say you want. Penny Casasa. And some say now we are train radio so now we are TV so now we are can. Then I say man I could do can that will be an be a bit fun as nothing fans as it will be other man different. If the offer can of a many of a yardley and after you can na be so there and a be there now or your program and a kokuwa him. Kasani obi a o besi o de nyema besi friends center obi alo
hello good evening
yeah so Mike
yeah
fine evening
majo say kasayam tio
yeah me and the bar line or can't send the day. So the woman one corner again here. So we do Sina and another John. The 2 gallons for me to almost and over you see and Taka and a Kaba. Now family at the age of 20, 21 alcohol. Now by the surface interest of the duty also for the maybe a chair. Ebi antakwa ni besi na elime ebi ani tiri wejini ni ewu wa branch ya afe na over abrabo ni ewu na wo se de Mahama kan no penin kasasa wa ene we sisi wa ga da jafi.
Okay, then I see. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Hello. Hello. Okay, Jen Fowler, I think that Minyan Clever. Hello, good evening. Hello. Good evening. Hello. Yeah, I think I'm afraid for you. My volume of your TV didn't call from 1922. Good evening.
Good evening.
You need I'm afraid for you.
I feel it. I because I didn't see that so. Oh my boy,
okay. Good evening. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, my friend. We meet you. Okay, meet you.
FCC for the year ọmọdé register Ghana card. The year ọmọdé register Ghana card.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Evening, boss.
You know you are free.
Hello.
You know you are free.
Pacho, me free. I came down.
Okay. Yes, you.
Me pacho. Ewia se ono. Enipa ya dia osayi. Na me kufuado. Ye ka semu a. Na na wadi Ghana for edi yi. Injobi kase ebia ikendi na enene bi won ma okay ayo pa ko wa dwen de back na do 2020 de oni obi a o challenge no se ke one on the post ni ko anka e ga je di manu na so enye sa na tie na e de obi wi ni aba no bismillah akra me kan no
But I say, I think you have a for this year. Emrena Asu. Okay, keep it up. I like your last statement. Mahama cannot win election in Ghana again due to Meduma and the free by anointed. I think I've read your message. You say, may God richly bless Nanado for good leadership because of Nanado. Now I have hospital in my hometown. John Mahama, bye bye forever. Anointed inside Libya, Libya for the rain. Good evening. Please tell your people to wear face masks. Well, because the world is watching them and we are learning from them. Please, Sunny from Ko, Sunny, I was saying, hi, Kumau TV. You guys are doing a great job. God richly bless you. Bless you too. That's super. Right, Eret name fancy Aseda Enko and Fama God's Way caskets. If Manaka Efe, now it is also the BC, what is the of Lubiano, a God's Way, and they account for them as a Masno war. We are ye, Capra, or back, if you be see from you know, about Bissam, we are, it's Mubiano, at the Aquaman. Massy as a fully runabout war, and I do Samson and Mobi's Herbal Center. Dr. Muhammad Isabebu, Sibra. No more. Yarabia, how be I know? Say a year form, say young, say on money, or Bessa at the amount. Would you, and mass of the and I will Dr. Mohammed Isabebu, Bra, now on to me and sorry. Yanasi, Yako. Just 5 seconds, madam.
Yeah, that's enough.
5 seconds.
Yeah, that's enough. Me this Kwenyawi, me first born, would be 10th anniversary.
Wow, we see my
Yes, Sunday, yeah. Tina na jonya kunkusi niama.
That's right.
And my happy birthday.
Right.
Anna, oko TCL shop wa Patricia or baby boy monocross or hemo. On the say callers no sound ne MI. Intina say or yet when be ama no.
Sure. And then as
Inti part one obanso me.
Yeah, we see a regional communication team member for the NPP. Now taking and then you read on Sinuki.
Before a second.
Say,
When you grow free in Totrosi, some crowd there at Yamu, we are fair to say, training, midwifery training at your Totroso. Yeah. Now, baby, are you free? Kusi free. Adansi Asokwa, Edubiasi, any form now, with me come. You are Adansi Funso, Community Day Sunday School, Akawrem. You are dancing up at that Community Day Sunday School, Akawrem. You are dancing Kabanaka, Akawrem. You are as I am
na contractor.
a friend say contractor be a quite a free new Edubiasi, Aquachim da.
sir,
Read be or
dollars at the view. Administrator, NBC. I shan't read and I also will tell you.
bro.
Samira, next week, Monday to Friday, 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. At